Google Chrome is far and away the most popular browser in the world, but it's far from perfect. The occasional crash can really interrupt your workflow, closing your entire slate of tabs and pushing you to find everything you had open before you begin working again. Thankfully, restoring closed tabs in Chrome is super easy, with a variety of solutions available at your fingertips. If you're ready to restore closed tabs from Chrome, here's what you need to do. If you accidentally closed a tab and you need to open it back up, you have a couple of options. Look for the new tab icon at the top of your browser, then right-click it and select Reopen Closed Tab to reopen the last tab that you've closed. Alternatively, you can hold down Ctrl and Shift, then press T to do the same thing. If you closed multiple tabs at once, like a window filled with tabs, the same shortcut reopens the entire group of tabs. If you'd rather stay away from using keyboard shortcuts, or you just want to reopen a specific tab you closed a while ago, you can totally do that too. You can find recently closed tabs under your quick history. Just click on the triple dotted icon in the top right corner of your browser, then hover over the History menu selection to view a list labeled Recently Closed. This list shows individual pages you've closed as well as groups of tabs. Just click on the group or page you want to reopen. Windows with multiple tabs that you've closed will show up as a group, so you'll have to reopen the entire group to check its contents. To automatically restore your session after closing your browser, accidentally or not, you may want to enable continuing where you left off on startup. To do this, just click on the triple dotted menu icon in the top right corner again, but this time select Settings. At the bottom of the settings page, you can choose what Chrome does on startup. Toggle on the option to continue where you left off, then exit the settings page. Your changes are saved automatically. Now, whenever you start Chrome, it will reopen the last set of tabs that you closed. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Google Chrome and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.